Asia's most challenging Ironman 70.3 is finally come to full circle last August 11 at the Shangri-La Mactan Resorts and Spa.
The entire, the entire event has come a long way. What's nice to see is that besides the actual sports event, which of course is the main purpose, the side events like the parties, what you have now at the golf course, the small little food village with entertainment, it really has become almost a festival. Yeah, it's more than just.
The Regent Aguila Ironman 70.3 kicks off at 6:20 a.m. at the beach for the 1.9 kilometer swim, followed by the 180 kilometer bike from Mactan Newtown to Talisay, and finished off with a 21 kilometer run along Punta Engaño.
And I like the extra title. There's not much in it. Our top say 10. From Indonesia, racer number 110 in 2018 and 2017, and Alex.
The participants, triathletes and pros have already arrived in Cebu. More than 2,000 triathletes from 57 countries converged under the scorching heat of the sun. With over 57 countries participating, Ironman has not only provided an avenue for sports tourism, it has raised awareness to help underprivileged kids in Cordova.
For Shangri-La, besides the event itself, besides the fact that, yes, the hotel is very busy, we have taken the opportunity in the last 4 years to start supporting an orphanage with everything we do here. There has been so much interest even from the pros after last year's press conference that this year on day one alone we collected about 71,000, and that is fantastic.
Tough weather and wind conditions braced all participants throughout the race. It even led to the defending champion Mau Mendez drop the race midway due to severe injury.
I mean, the sixth win that just speaks for itself. That I really love the place here. I love the people. I love the course. I think the course just absolutely suits me. I love the heat, of course, and I just always look forward to come back here. And I keep saying it's one of my favorite races, and that's not true. It is my favorite race.
Just one of those days where I probably felt a little bit too good on the bike and was a bit too ambitious, and got onto the run and really paid the price for riding as hard as I could for 90 kilometres in the heat. And it was I think the toughest run I've ever done, and I know if it was any other race I'm not sure I could have pushed through those cramps, but I was getting so much support out there, and it was I just managed to hold on.
My running hasn't been great. It's usually one of my strengths, but I've been a bit injured over the last 8 months and had to back off the running a bit, but had to play the game.
Landing the top spot for the male pro division is Tim Reed of Australia, despite stopping for 6 minutes in the bike leg due to cramps, while for the female pro division is Caroline Steffen from Switzerland. This is Reed's fourth title in Cebu, after he won the international race back in 2015, 2016 and 2017.
There's a lot of factors there that made me really go to the well and dig as deep as I have in a long time. So yeah, it was very special to get the fourth win.
For Caroline, there is added pressure to the competition. Due to the withdrawal of the athletes from Czech Republic, she snagged her sixth title after having won the race consecutively last 2012 to 2016. Competing in the list of winners for male pros are Mike Phillips from New Zealand and Tim Zand Burkle from Australia. Some of the participants are new to Cebu, like Courtney Gilfillan, who landed third in the female pros.
Amazing. Absolutely incredible. Yeah, the lead up into the race today was already more than I could imagine. Amazing. And the experience today was incredible.
In the Asian Elite category, both winners came from the Philippines. Reaching the top is Nico Huelgas and August Benedicto.
It's my first time to race here in Cebu for the full distance, and it's my first time to do a 70.3 in the Philippines. And I'm really happy that it's actually Cebu. That was my first. And it was incredible. I never expected that there were so many crowds, from the swim to the bike to the first 500 meters. When you get out of transition at the bike, there were already crowds, massive, cheering for you. And then on the run, all throughout the 21-kilometer race, you would feel so motivated even if you're already wanting to give up. So it's true what they say, that it's really more fun in the Philippines.
To many, the recently concluded Regent Aguila Ironman 70.3 is a test for the World Championships.
Yes, it was great. It's my first time, but with my Team YOLO's been doing it since 2015, and this year I decided to join them. So the experience was I think first class, and I've been doing a couple Ironmans, and I think this is the best one yet.
Cebu is always fantastic. The atmosphere is great, the organization is great, the crowd is great, the city just really comes alive every time you race in Cebu. But it always bites you back, right? In the race, it's a very tough course, and it's always very hot, but I guess that's the one that keeps you coming back.
And my country is hot as well, but here is like hot and humid. So it was a really hot run.
The Ironman 70.3 triathlon in Cebu will also serve as the first leg of the qualifying rounds for the World Championships to be held in Taupo, New Zealand in 2020. Around 60 slots are available to the qualifiers. With reports from Elise Caballero and Jeff Cañada, down to Luzon, MyTV Cebu.